To our continuing coverage now, after a judge temporarily blocked that new Ohio law that would require social media companies to get parents' permission for kids under 16 who try to create a profile. This comes after Net Choice, a company representing social media companies, sued the state over the new law.
Meanwhile, Lieutenant Governor John Husted telling us he is disappointed the law was temporarily blocked. He says he's worried about kids' safety online.
10 TV's Tara Jabor joining us live tonight. And Tara, you spoke to the Lieutenant Governor about those concerns, and you also spoke to a cybersecurity expert. What's the opinion tonight about this?
Well, Andrew and Yolanda, the Lieutenant Governor says that he wants parents to be more involved in their child's social media presence. He says a lot of times when kids have mental health issues, it's directly related to social media. Lieutenant Governor John Husted says sometimes social media can have a negative effect on kids' mental health.
Cyberbullying, sextortion, all kinds of mental health challenges that kids face are a direct result of their addiction to these platforms.
That's why he wants parents to be more active in their kids' social media life, starting with requiring parental permission for kids to have a social media profile.
And this is no different than anything else that happens in their lives, whether it's with their healthcare information, whether they go on a field trip from school, you name it. You need mom and dad's permission to do it, and the same thing should be true for social media.
Husted says social media companies want to get around parents, giving anyone access to talking with kids online.
This is called parenting. We have laws in America where children under the age of 18 have to be under the responsibility of their mothers and fathers.
When it comes to keeping your kids safe online, there are things that parents can do. Joe Smith, a cybersecurity expert, says treat the digital world like the real world for your kids.
Know who it is that you're communicating with. Be cautious about who you're sharing information with.
Smith says make sure your kid is not sharing personal information like where they live and go to school with people they don't know online.
Have somebody that you and the child knows, loves, and trusts, and that they can confide in if they make a mistake online or if they have a question about something that's happening online.
If your child does come into contact with someone who they shouldn't online, then Smith says report it right away.
Stop communicating with the person who may be trying to cause you harm. Block that person immediately and then report that to the Internet Crimes Against Children here in Franklin County.
And the block on the new social media law is temporary. There will be another hearing on February 7th.